Your bot works with the Google Home app and Google Home devices. In order to control your bot using Google Home, first make sure both the bObsweep and Google Home apps are installed on your phone. You can pair your bot with your Google Home device in 2 easy steps. Step 1. Open the bObsweep app. On the top right corner, tap the menu icon. Click Alexa Google Assistant at the bottom of the menu. Then choose Google Assistant. Scroll down until you see Copy email address and password. Copy or write down the email and password displayed, or keep this page open and proceed to Step 2. Step 2. Open the Google Home application and go to the Devices page. Click Add at the bottom right of the screen. Then choose Works with Google Home. Use the search feature at the top right of the screen to find the bObsweep app. Tap on the app to select it. You will be prompted to enter the email address and password from Step 1. Once all information is entered correctly, click Next Step, then Authorize. You will then be asked to choose a home and room for your device. This will help keep your Google Home organized. Back on the Devices page, your bot will be visible under his nickname in the appropriate room. You can start and stop your bot by clicking on him, and you can access more settings, including docking, with a long click. You can also start, stop, and charge or dock your bot with voice commands. You can refer to your bot as the vacuum or by the nickname you assign to him. To start cleaning, say, "Hey Google, start the vacuum," or nickname. To stop cleaning, say, "Hey Google, pause the vacuum," or nickname. To charge, say, "Hey Google, charge the vacuum," or nickname. Or, "Hey Google, dock the vacuum," or nickname. How to disconnect your bot from Google Home. To disconnect the bot, click and hold on the bot from the Devices page. Then, click the Settings icon at the top right corner. Click Unlink bObsweep and unlink again. Confirm by tapping on bObsweep from the linked accounts and choosing Unlink Account. For further assistance with Google Home pairing, please contact our helpful support team.